Alright, so in this video I'm going to be talking about the acidic water, and let me tell you, the acidic water is seriously the best. The acidic water has been my lifesaver. I've been using it for my acne, pretty much my beauty. My acne, cleaning cuts, boiling eggs. Yeah, I clean my house with acidic water. So, I will show you the amazing things that I use with the acidic water. Alright, so when I wake up in the morning, I use this. This is just a regular water bottle, and I just put acidic water in it, like this.
Acidic level 1.
And I use it so I use it on my face. I use it because it clears up my acne. It just makes my face that much brighter, and honestly, it's the best beauty tip that is out there. Alright, and I also use the acidic water for cleaning. Yeah, so I use just some doTERRA On Guard, and I just put the appropriate usage in here, and then I fill this baby up with acidic water, and not only does my house smell good, but it cleans everything. So those are just some amazing things that you can use with the acidic water, and then I'll show you what I do next. Alright, now I'm going to show you just how easy this thing will crack and peel right off. It just like crumbles right off the thing. I really hope these videos helped you guys out, and if you guys need any more information, just check out the AlkaViva on their website, or go to their Instagram because they have tons of information for you and they show pretty cool stuff. Alright, see you guys!